Aspose.PSD Extract application was designed to help you extract layers from your PSD files. First, you need to upload a file to the input field. You can do this either by clicking the input field or by dragging and dropping the input file into the input field. Uploading may take a while depending on your input file size. After uploading completes, you may preview the file, select the desired zoom ratio, or the useful options such as fit to width or fit to height. They are especially useful if your image has a large dimensions. You may also zoom in or zoom out your drawing using the corresponding buttons on the toolbar. The left pane contains the extracted layers previews. You may switch each layer back and forth to preview its contents. You may also use the toolbar back and next buttons to do the same. When you are ready, click the download button and you will get each layer downloaded as a separate image in PNG file format. You have the option to download the original loaded image by clicking Download Original button. Please note that this is just a demo showing a subset of features that Aspose.PSD is capable to perform. You can download the full product for more features, link is at the video description. We hope that you have found this little tutorial useful. Thanks for watching.